Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to enable picture-in-picture mode, also known as floating video, in Google Chrome without installing any extension. First, open Google Chrome and play any video on YouTube. Now, move your mouse over the video and right-click once. You'll see YouTube's own context menu. Next, right-click again in the same area. This time, Chrome's context menu will appear. From the Chrome menu, click Picture-in-Picture. That's it. The video will pop out into a floating window that stays on top of other applications, so you can continue watching while browsing, working, or using other programs. To return the video to the browser, simply click the Back to Tab button on the floating window, or close the Picture-in-Picture window. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.